Learn Excel from MrExcel Podcast, episode 2078. Highlight the matching cell. All right, today's question sent in as a comment on YouTube. Is there any way when I type a particular name, any cell with the same name should be highlighted, changing fill colors, or somehow made to catch attention, blinking or flashing? Now, I will solve that problem, but first, this person's written in before, and I really encourage you to go out to YouTube and just search. There's many videos out there that show you how to fix a stuck caps lock key, right? You don't need to be screaming the question. I understand they get stuck sometimes. These videos will show you how to fix that, so go check that out. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Up here in cell E1 is what we're going to type what we're looking for. We want to have everything that says Apple to get updated. I'm going to choose all the potential places where the matches are going to be. Select those, and then we're going to go to conditional formatting. New rule. And in the new rules, we're going to format only cells that contain, and I'm going to say in this first drop down, I want to look for specific text containing, right? And it's going to be containing cell E1. Now right here, you want to make sure that it puts the dollar signs in. That means that that's an absolute reference. And then we'll choose some sort of a format here. You can't easily make things flash, but you can choose some sort of a nice fill color here, and then maybe a white font to make it stand out like that. Click OK. Click OK. And it's working, right? So we typed Apple. Anything that says Apple gets updated. Let's try something else. Banana. And bam, all of the bananas will get highlighted. If we type something that's not in there, cilantro, then no harm, no foul. It doesn't highlight. Or if we type, let's type apple again, find one of the apples, and we'll change it to applesauce. Applesauce. See, it still gets highlighted. Now, if you wanted to only highlight the things that were just apple and not applesauce, we'd have to go into conditional formatting, manage the rule, edit the rule, and change this to say that the cell value is equal to E1, exactly equal to E1. Click OK, click OK, and then the applesauce will go away. So depending on whether you want an exact match or not, easy way to do that. Oh, and let's just do this test. If your caps lock key is stuck in the on position, yes, it continues to work. All right, all sorts of tips like this are in my new book, Power Excel with MrExcel, the 2017 edition, 617 Excel Mystery Solved. All right, topics in this episode. We start out talking about the stuck caps lock key, really common problem. There's videos on YouTube that show you how to fix that. How to highlight all cells that contain a name that you type. Find out where you're going to type the name. In this case, it was E1. You might be typing it somewhere else. Select all cells that will potentially contain a match. Home, conditional formatting, new rule. Highlight cells that contain specific text, contains. Click on E1. It'll put the dollar signs in for you. Click OK. Choose a fill. Click OK. Click OK. If you needed to have it be an exact match, so you don't want applesauce to get highlighted when you choose apple, then change specific text. Change the drop down that says specific text to equals to. All right, there you go. Thanks for sending that screaming question in, and thanks to everyone else for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.